Here's the Z, guys. First time I've seen it running in like 5 months. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I have not been this happy in months. I just got a text, or actually I got a call, saying that my car is ready. The Z is finally ready. So right now I'm with the boy Eric. We're gonna go pick up the Z.
Let's go.
Bro, you have no idea how happy I am.
Let's go.
Alright guys, another thing. I guess my battery is dead. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the Q50 battery, take the old Daily to go pick up the car, and then tomorrow I'll probably just go get another one. But for now, we're gonna steal the Q50s. It's literally a brand new battery too. Alright guys, we are now en route. Damn, you guys haven't been in this car in years. When's the last time you've been in this car?
Like over 2 years.
Yeah, the old Daily. The OGs will remember this one. Got the nipples in the back. But yeah, we got about an hour drive. See you guys once we're there.
6.5 hours later.
Finally made it to the shop. I found this homeless man on the side of the street. Are you enjoying the Gatorade I bought you?
It's pretty good.
Here's the Z, guys. First time I've seen it running in like 5 months. That's crazy. Car's back, bro. I don't even know what to say. I'm so happy, bro. You guys have no idea. Alright guys, first thing is first, gonna get these skinnies off the front and put my nipples back on. Just like that, we're back to life. I'll do the other side real quick. Back in business. Damn, son. I don't even know what to say, bro. I'm still like too hey. Alright guys, now it's time to go take it for a little test drive around D block, make sure everything is good. This feels so weird. What are you feeling right now? Little
What?
What?
You can't see my phone, did you?
I don't think so. Oh.
Hey, if you can, don't show it.
You're watching. Damn, I forgot how to drive this car. Oh.
More to the right, more to the right.
To the right?
Whatever you want it.
I think we're good.
Oh, my car's lower than yours. And if the car feels weird or anything like that, anything that feels abnormal, let me know. Like, hey, the car doesn't want to accelerate or...
Damn, the last time I was at this light, my car broke down. I didn't make it this far.
I remember. I was so mad because you made me late to the dyno.
Yeah.
Fucking asshole. I remember. Good time. Didn't die this time!
Didn't die this time.
Let's go.
Damn, my car was already parked right there. Should I go knock on the door and be like, hey look, I'm back?
Can you give me a push?
So the car does have an exhaust leak. Sounds like but it's okay. Whoa.
A little bit.
I'm gonna go ahead and go pump some 85 because honestly I am not too sure how much gas I got. Got a cop right
Yeah,
there.
at a gas station, whatever. He doesn't care. I'm not gonna pull him over.
Hasn't even looked at me, he's on his phone.
Hey, get off your fucking phone! Bored!
So I guess I gotta drive it between 3,000 and 4,000.
Like you are right now. Go ahead, try brake boost. It's fine.
Oh, that was pretty fucking good.
The car's gonna be
Huh?
Does your car sound different?
Yeah.
It sounds a little different, huh?
Yeah, because the VHR, I'm assuming.
I don't know. It just sounds different to me.
What?
I don't remember your car like that.
The
Is it
exhaust
quieter? It's quieter, huh?
I don't know. Whoa. Oh, Hellcat. Oh, my boy, you would get gapped. sprockets out. Yeah, it does sound different. Or is it,
right?
or the exhaust leak?
No, the exhaust leak wouldn't make the car sound that much different. But it sounds different to me.
This is kind of cool. Kind of like it. All right, guys, we finally took off. I feel like it still hasn't hit me that my car's back. Finally, it's been gone for like 5 months. This exact street is where I broke down. I'm so sorry because of my dirty camera, but I broke down right here. The last time I was here in this car by myself, this shit didn't start. It's kind of a bittersweet feeling, but anyways, I have to drive this thing for 1,000 miles so we could tune it. I still need a couple of things though. I need my clutch, I need fuel. By fuel I mean fuel injectors and fuel pump, and I think that's it, right? That I can think of off the top of my head. Yeah, so I need a couple more things and then I can tune it, then I can make the big power. But for now, once I break it in, if I still don't have that stuff, I'll probably just put it on low boost. Other than that, your boy is finally back. Finally. Like I said, I don't even know what to say right now. It's like I'm like still in shock, kind of. Can't believe it. I have a build 350Z. Pretty sick. Alright guys, we're about like 30 minutes into the drive already. So my tuner set to pretty much drive it between 3,000 and 4,000 RPM for this braking. And brake boost a little bit here and there. So that's exactly what we're doing. Guys, it feels so good to be back in this car. You guys have no idea how much I miss this car. Like, I know it's just a car, bro, but like to me it's more, it's like my escape. Like it's like my baby, bro. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Whoa, I hear a car. Sick ass. Anyways, I'm so glad to have it back. I thought it was almost impossible to fucking bring this car back to life because of how expensive it was, but hey, we got it done. Just prove that you can do whatever you want in this world as long as you put your mind to it, you know? And now, like I said, I have about like 960 miles to left to break in the motor. My tuner was telling me to drive everywhere tonight. I probably won't be doing that, but I'm probably gonna be driving it all day tomorrow. So I'll probably try to take it far somewhere. I don't know, maybe like LA or San Diego or something. But it's crazy, guys. Finally built. Finally can push a lot more horsepower. Can't wait to get the other parts that I need. Like I said, the clutch, the fueling, and send this thing to the moon. I don't know what I want to make yet. My tuner said like a safe area is like 850. I don't know if I'm hit 4 digits yet. Maybe. But I feel like for now I'm probably gonna have a little moderate too, you know, have some fun with it. If you guys know brake boost, because I have to do it anyways. Sounds so good. Came to pick up the wifey. How do you feel being in this car after so many months?
It doesn't feel real. I don't know how to explain it, but
You want to drive it?
I don't know. It hasn't hit me yet. I feel like
Should we do a little pull? Fuck it. Nah, just kidding.
I was supposed to say, wait, can you?
No, I have to like brake boost a little bit just to help break in the motor. So she even agrees with me. It feels weird. I feel like it just hasn't hit me yet. It'll probably hit me tomorrow once I start driving it more. Ooh, Q50. I'm not driving a Q50 no more. I'm gonna daily this instead. All right, sir. Thank you so much for coming with me, as always. I'll eat some food. But guys, we made it home in the Z, not on a tow truck. So that's always a good thing. Shout out to my boy Adrian at E-Class Tunes. I have his information right here, and also on the description below. He made this happen. He brought this car back, so shout out to him. He actually is gonna be like offering these packages, I think, where like you could actually buy like a built motor from him already ready. I think it's like 7,500, something like that, so it's not bad. It's pretty much like a turnkey, I want to say like 850 wheel horsepower kit. But obviously for that type of power you need a turbo kit as well. So 7,500 is just the motor, and then whatever you charge for the turbo kit. All in all, probably like 15 to 20. Okay, I want to say, but you'll be fast. But now let's go ahead and put this car inside. We're gonna go ahead and hit the gym. Eric's not going to the gym because he's a weenie.
I got shit to do.
No, you don't. You're just lazy.
Okay, bye.
Alright guys, I'm back from the gym now. It feels so good just to know that I could hop in this car right now and turn it on and leave if I wanted to. I think now it's starting to hit me that my car is fixed. Honestly, I don't know why, but I never actually thought that I would have this car built. That's proof that with hard work and dedication, you get anything you want in this life. Whether it be a built motor, whether it be a house, whether it be a GTR, whether it be a Lamborghini. If you set your mind to something, you could definitely achieve it. Anyways, hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are all as happy as I am. I know at first it might have seemed like I wasn't happy, but in reality, I don't know, I just couldn't believe that I was actually gonna go pick up my built Z and be able to drive it again after so long. I don't know, it was kind of like a weird feeling. But like I said, I feel like it's finally hit me. I'm so freaking happy. I can't wait to wake up tomorrow and go out for a drive. Dude, I'm literally gonna wake up early just for that. But with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.